Welcome tech fans. Google's upcoming Pixel Watch 2 has been spotted in the Google Play console, revealing significant details about its specifications and features. Let's dive into its key highlights. Pixel Watch 2 has appeared in the Google Play console device catalog. It confirms the use of Snapdragon W5 and Wear OS 4. Pixel Watch 2 will retain the same 2 GB of RAM as its predecessor. The watch will come with Android 13 pre-installed running Wear OS 4. The screen specs remain consistent with 384 by 384 resolution and 320 ppi screen density. Pixel Watch 2 will feature a Samsung panel instead of the previous BOE display. An attached image here in the listing appears to be the same as the original Pixel Watch. Expected launch in the fall alongside Pixel 8, with anticipated updates to bands and casing. These details provide valuable insights into the upgraded components and features of Google's Pixel Watch 2, making it an exciting and anticipated smartwatch release.